Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Over the next few weeks, we will be focusing on characteristics that go with kindness. Today, we're talking about caring and why that's important. Let's see. I'm going to need one of these and one of these, a little of this, and a little of that. Because today we're cooking up a lesson on 3 caring words. Are you okay? Kindness and caring go hand in hand. Caring means that you're interested or concerned about someone. You may notice how someone feels or what someone needs, and you treat them with kindness. When you show you care about others, you actually attract people. That's because people feel happy and safe when they are with people who act in kind and caring ways. Today I have a little demonstration to help you understand how being caring or being careless can affect people in your life. Take a look at this platter of water. Let's pretend that this water represents your life. And this pepper represents all the people in your life. These might be your family members or your friends, your classmates at school, or teammates if you play sports. They could also be people in your neighborhood or people in your community. Now, during the day, we can get so busy doing our thing that we might forget about the people around us. Sometimes when we're thinking only about ourselves, we might hurt somebody with our actions or our words, either because we're upset or angry, or just by accident, because we're not really paying attention to where we are going or what we're saying. We're just being careless. Being careless, either on purpose or by accident, can actually push people away. When you hurt people with your body or your words, they don't want to be near you. But it's not just one person. Acting carelessly or without caring can affect other people too. People notice what you say and how you act. And if they see that you're being mean and uncaring, they may not want to be around you either. People want to hang out with people that they can trust, people who make them comfortable, people who care. So how do you show people you care? Well, if you do something or say something that upsets someone else, even if it's by accident, check on them. You also might want to apologize. You can show that you care by using 3 little words.
Wait, are you okay?
Are you okay? Lets another person know that you notice them and that you care. And it adds a bit of sweetness to the day, like this. Watch how sprinkling the day with a little bit of care and kindness can attract people. People feel happy and safe when they are with people who act in kind and caring ways. Whether or not we want to admit it, we all mess up from time to time. While working hard or playing hard or just transitioning from one activity to another, we might forget about how our words and actions affect the people around us. The next time you're inattention or carelessness causes a problem for someone else,
Ouch! You stepped on my foot.
try fixing it with a caring
Sorry, are you okay?
and see what this can do for you. And I'll see you next time.